We're back with our 1988 Mercedes-Benz 300e. It got loose and it came out. Now we're going to try to get it back in there. I'll use the key. It's stuck in there. But we can use a straw to find it. Let's see. No. Let's see. Got to find that steel rod in there.
Almost, I see it.
It's in there. Let's just try to get the straw on it. We got it with the straw. See? Look in there. I got it with the straw. Now I'm going to turn the key to unlock. There you go. Now we're going to screw this back on clockwise. No need to take off the door panel. Just use a little plastic straw and it should be, it's good.
And you have to turn the key back and forth, right?
Just check it out with the key and it's good. No need to pull the door panel off. And thanks for watching.